Hello, students. Now we are going to begin with chapter number 2, that is uses of computers. Children, as we all have learned about what is a computer in our previous sessions, I would like to recall about the machine computer. As you all know that computer is a smart machine, and the definition of computer was: a computer is an electronic device which takes input from the user, processes the data, and gives back output back to the user. Now, in lesson number 2, we are going to study about the various places and the various people who uses computer. The learning objectives of this lesson are: first of all, list a few places where computers are used. Now, places where computers are used, I would like to ask all of you, where have you seen computers? You must have seen computers at your home, at your school, at your father's or mother's offices, at some shops and restaurants. Now, second objective we have: list some ways in which computers are used in each place. Now, first of all, let's talk about home. At home, you all must have seen computers. You all must have used computers for playing games, watching movies, or listening to music. You all must have seen your parents using computers for doing their office work. Secondly, you must have seen computers at school. At school, you must have used computers while you were doing computer practical classes. Next, you must have seen computers at various shops and restaurants for making bills. Third, list a few people who use computers for their work. Now again recall, you have seen computer at your home. At home, which people uses computers? First of all, you use computer for playing games. Then your parents, who must be using computer for doing their office work. Then we talk about school. At school, you must have seen your teacher using the computer for teaching. And thirdly, at shops or restaurants, you have seen the person using computer for making bills. Similarly, when we will move forward in this chapter, we will learn about various places and people using computer for different purposes. As you all know that computer is a very smart machine. It saves our time, it saves our money, it saves our effort in doing any of the task of work. So that's why we can see computers being used at many places and by many of the peoples. So we will go through this lesson from our next video sessions. Till then, do take care.
Hello students, welcome to the second video session of chapter number 2, uses of computer. Let's begin. A computer is a very useful machine. You can see computers in schools, homes, offices, banks, hospitals, railway stations, airports and many other places. Here are some ways in which computers are used at these places. Now children, what you all need to do is, you all just need to take a recap and remind of all those places where you have seen computers. You must have seen computers in your home, in your schools, at railway stations and at airports. Now, first of all, let's talk about home. To play games, watch movies and listen to music. To book movie, airline and train ticket. To study and find information. To find the way to any place. Now children, at home we use computer for playing games. We also use computers for watching movies. You also must have seen your parents or your elder brother and sister booking tickets online for trains or airport or airlines. Second, you must have used computers to study or find out any information regarding any of your project work. Lastly, you must have used computer to find way to any place, which is simply means using Google Maps or finding routes on computer. Second, here is a workout. What else a computer in your home used for? Find out from your parents or elders. Now children, what you need to do is, you need to ask your parents that for what purpose they use computers. Now next we have school. You all must have seen computers in your school, right? Yes. Now in school we use computers for to teach, to make report cards, to keep a record of books in the library, to keep records of students and the fees paid by them. Now children, you all must have seen your teachers teaching you with the help of computers. You all must have gone to computer lab for doing practicals. Now teachers also use computers for making your report cards, as you must have seen that this time your report cards has been provided you online. That was with the help of computer. Next, you must have seen a number of books in library. Now the books in the school library are in a huge number, and to keep a record of those books we use computers. We make a record of those books in computer. Lastly, we keep the record of students in the computer. We will move forward with the chapter in the next video session. Till then, do take care.